Money. It is essential for everyday use. But how well do we actually understand it? From swiping cards to stacking debt, from payday to saving for the future. Financial decisions shape our lives. Yet, most of us were never taught how it really works. Financial literacy is the cognitive understanding of financial components and skills such as budgeting, investing, borrowing, taxation, and personal financial management. As we delve into this literacy, we interviewed some students at Mindanao State University and a business owner, wherein they share their insights and experiences about financial literacy.
Well, as for me, financial literacy is when you know how to handle your money and how to make your money grow. In my case, when I was still selling clothes online, whenever I had revenue na, I would always buy a new bulk of orders of clothes for me to sell again. So that's what financial literacy is to me.
For me, financial literacy is the ability of one's individual to have an efficient decision and able to manage his or her money very well.
Financial literacy is knowing how to manage your money, knowing how to use your money, yung maigo good ang money sa isa ka adlaw, yung budget nimo, bawa 100 pesos. Ang budget nimo for a day is 100 pesos from breakfast to dinner. So, parang paano mo paigoon tong 100? So, nang kabalo ka kung paano to siya ihati-hati. So, that is my definition of financial literacy.
Financial literacy is kung paano nimo budgeton ang imuhang kwarta sa pang-adlaw-adlaw. Kung dili man necessary ang mga dapat na paliton nimo, gamito na lang nimo siya sa pangpamasahe, halimbawa gabiyahe-biyahe ka kato.
Ako ay si Marjeline Magapan, 39 years old, na ako'y 5 ka anak, 2 ka college, 1 ka high school, 2 ka elementary. And ang among small business is loading station. Supplier day kog load nationwide. Ang among income monthly gid siya is 30,000. Na-income na muna siya to GCash, load, o sa store, tanan na siya. Ginabudget na ko siya like kanang balon sa mga bata kaya sa 30,000 ginakuha na ko ng balon nila, pagkaon ng daily, buntag ug hapon, tapos ang ilahang kuan expenses nila sa school. Akong na-encounter dyan sa pagkanang kuan sa mga negosyo pag budget is kanang like mag-maintenance, mag-system maintenance kaya kanang magud siya system. So pag mag-brown out, tapos kanang walay wifi, tapos mag-exceed ang GCash, para sa mga maintenance na siya. So masolve ra siya para anang brown out. So masolve ra kay supplier mapag-load. So through load makuan ra siya, masolve ra siya. Pero pag maintenance, ano lang gid siya, yung lang ang mga customer nga maintenance sa jud for a while lang, masolve ra man po siya. O kana sa pag-save jud o naga-save jud mi like kanang income na ko sa load nagalahi jud ko ana kay para sa anang kuan like birthday sa mga bata ano ko din pa naman ani adtuan anak pero nakakuan jud ko ana nga dahil nag-save ko pero na jud emergency nakuha ra jud ko siya dili jud usahay makuan jud magamit pero na jud ko ginalahi nag-savings jud ko. So kana jud ang akong ma-advise jud is kanang magtipid, matutugid sila magtipid like pareha nang sa load. Ang load dili siya kinahanglan nga imo mo siya expenses which is pwede pa nimo siya ma-inkaman. Oh, kanang ginapangayo sa mga bata nga load, i-activate na lang nako na ilahang SIM para makabaligya sila og load. Ang katong top up sa load mo na to ilahang balon. Mo na akong ginatudlo sa ilaha nga dapat mamaligya sila og load. Kay sa load man gud na dira gyud mo maka-income. Dako gyud mo ma-savings. Instead magsige mo palod sa tindahan, kamo na mismo loader. Kamo na magkanang supply og load. Ang tres patong ato mo na to ang inyong kuan. Mo na akong ginatudlo sa ilaha nga kaya gina-activate na ko ilang SIM para sila na mag-supply og load sa ilang mga classmate ug kuan nila.
To summarize it, financial literacy is the ability to effectively manage and make informed decisions about money. It involves understanding the difference between needs and wants, creating and sticking to a budget, and knowing how to save and invest for future goals. Being financially literate helps individuals navigate these situations by planning and making smart choices. Overall, it empowers people to take control of their finances and work towards their financial goals.